Dag sê, welkom by Reispret. Hier van die N7 af lyk die Maskamberg nie baie indrukwekkend nie. Die Maskamberg is eintlik deel van die Matsikama bergreeks wat afgelei is van 'n Khoi woord, Matsikama, en dit beteken plek van water. Ons het in 'n vorige video vir u gewys die waterval daar agter die Maskamberg, en in hierdie video wys ons vir u die Gifbergpas wat hier aan die linkerkant van die berg afkom.
Van Reinsdorp, initially named True, meaning return, terug, was found in the area known as the Knersvlakte after European exploration in 1661 by Pieter van Meerhof. Later it became a mission station. It was renamed Van Reinsdorp in 1881 to honor Hendrik van Rijn, a church leader and a community member. Knersvlakte in Afrikaans literally means gnashing plain or grinding plain. That is referencing to the sound of the wheels of the ox wagons crunching over the hard quartz stones in the region. Coming up from Cape Town on the N7, Van Reinsdorp is only a dot on the map, and you would not expect to find anything interesting here, but you would be surprised.
Die Maskamberg is plat bo. Ek weet nie of jy dit op die kamera daar kan sien nie. As 'n mens hier op die N7 ry op pad suidwes toe, dan lê jy hier op jou regterkant.
In our previous video, we took the road from the Boertuin Olive Farm close to Van Reinsdorp, and we went behind the Maskam Mountain to the waterfall there, and we showed you exactly the road how to reach the waterfall.
Hierdie waterval is een van die mooiste goed wat jy ooit sal sien. Ons gaan nou hier op by die ou bergpas. Hier's 'n paar goedjies wat ons nog gaan doen. En dan is daar een of ander krokodilrots wat ons moet gaan soek.
Let's have a look at the route we are going to take. From the waterfall, we're going over the Ouberg Pass, then past Vondeling, and then we're going over the very steep Gifberg Pass, back to Van Reinsdorp. Going around the Maskam Mountain and over the Gifberg Pass allows you to enjoy one of the most scenic routes in the north of the Western Cape. Make sure you have a camera.
Hier by die ou bergpas. Jy maar sorg dat jy 'n 4x4 het. Hier en daar is daar net 'n herinnering aan hoe gevaarlik dit eintlik is om sulke paaie te ry. Maar kyk hoe mooi is dit hier af. Hierso naby die bokant van die ou bergpas is hier 'n paar rotse wat op mekaar staan. Wat so half natuurlike grot vorm. Jy kan sien hoe die mense al hier vuur gemaak het vroeër jare.
The most beautiful part of the year to visit this area will be during springtime. That is from August, September onwards. The visit we did was during July. That was after the winter rains or during the winter rains, but there were not any flowers yet.
Maak seker dat jy iemand saambring om die hekke oop te maak. Want hier is 'n hele klompie hekke op hierdie pad. Dankie Tatie. Hier op die Gifbergpad ry jy heeltyd deur mense se plase. So jy moet sorg dat die hekke toe bly en jy moet oppas vir al die snaakse diertjies wat jy kry op die plase.
This Gifberg Pass is a challenging gravel pass with some tarred sections. You will see the tarred sections later on. This was originally built in 1917 to connect the mountaintop farms of the Gifberg with Van Reinsdorp. It has been improved and widened over the years, and it's known for its sand rock art, the Bushman rock art, hiking trails and views. And this area is the source of the True River. Okay, ons gaan nou hier by die Gifbergpas af. Hulle sê is 'n bietjie styl hier af, so ons gaan nou kyk hoe lyk dit. Stop. Going down, you get one sharp, nerve-wracking hairpin bend. And then further on, you get a few other bends also. If you're looking for an exciting pass to drive, the Gifberg Pass does not disappoint. And you don't have long to wait to get some hair-raising experiences. The overall gradient of the pass is about 1 to 6, but apparently there's a few places where the gradient is 1 to 3. Have you ever driven the Gifberg Pass? Let us know in the comments. Dit is 'n stukkie van die Gifberg Pas wat eerlik is. En dit is nie vir die ja. Unfortunately, we did not find the Crocodile Rock, but we will probably go back sometime to look for it again. If you like our videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. We really appreciate it, and thank you very much, and see you next week. Al ons Suid-Afrikaanse mense, ons sien julle volgende week in die volgende video.